Okay, for all the ones who logged in late, okay, please take your grammar book, turn to page number 10. Okay, yesterday we finished till C, okay, where you're just changing the plural form of a noun by just removing F and adding VES to it. Okay, today we are going to change. Today we are going to, yes, Ali Bibina? Okay. Okay, now we're just going to remove, we're going to change from singular nouns to plural by just removing Y. And what are you adding? Instead of Y, you're going to add IES to the word. Okay. Now, second one is pansy.
Good morning, ma'am.
PANSY, pansy. Good morning, Digant. Okay. How will you change?
Ma'am.
How will you change this to?
Good morning.
Okay, all the good mornings are already done. Class has started, so please concentrate. Okay. How will you change pansy
Which
to
page, ma'am?
page number 10? Page number 10. Pansy, how will you change this to plural? How will you change?
IES.
Yes, you need to
PS.
add IES. Remove Y and you will write PANSIES, pansies. Write down PANSIES, pansies. Write it down. Okay, if you finish, just show a thumbs up to show that you have completed. Yes, very good, Dakshaya. Kirtana, very good. Okay. Now the next third word, city. CITY, city. How will you change this into plural?
Miss.
Ali Bibina, please do not unmute yourself. There is too much of noise in your background. Mute yourself. Okay. Okay, now how will you change city? Remove Y and add IES.
CITIES.
Very good. CITIES, cities. Write it down. Okay, next, fourth one. Fourth one is lady. If you have to change this into plural, how will you change it?
LADIES. Lady.
Yes, it is LADIES, ladies. You have to remove the Y, just add IES instead of Y. Okay, LADIES, ladies. Okay. All of you have finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next one, you have Daisy. DAISY, Daisy. How will you change this?
DAIS.
Very good. Yes, DAISIES, daisies. Write it down. DAISIES, daisies. Okay, DAISES, daisies. Next one, country. COUNTRY.
COUNTRIES.
Very good, very good. COUNTRIES, countries. Write it down. COUNTRIES,
Full now.
countries. Page number 10. For the ones who logged in late, it is page number 10. Okay, all of you have finished this?
You mute everyone, ma'am. I can't hear.
Okay. All of you have finished this? Just show a thumbs up. Please do not unmute yourself. Yes, very good. Varun, Harshavardhan, Chiran, Kirtana, Yadu Vishnu, very good. Aaron, Ali Bibina, Roshan, very good. Even Kritanya, Jeevan P, Rafael Patrick, very good. Dakshaya, Samuel. Okay, all of you have completed. Shall I erase the board, children?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Finish,
now
ma'am.
E part. Okay, I want you all to pay attention now. Please do not talk in between. Okay. So far we have learned about words, okay, where you can change them from singular to plural either by just adding a S or ES or VES or IES, right? Okay, now there are few words where the entire word itself changes. Okay, for example, child is singular while plural is children. Okay, so the plural of child is children. What is the plural of man? Plural of man is
Men.
men. Very good.
Men.
Now,
Page
plural
number,
of women is
men.
woman. Very good.
Men.
Mouse. What is the plural of mouse?
Mice.
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 Very good. Plural of foot.
Mice.
Plural of
Mice.
foot.
Mice.
I'm sorry. Plural of foot. What is the plural of foot? Feet. Very good. Plural of foot is feet. Yes. What is the plural of goose? Geese. Very good. Plural of tooth. Plural of tooth is teeth. Okay. You don't say tooth or tooths or tooths and all. You say it as teeth. Okay. So these are few words where the entire word itself changes. And then there are some words where they do not change. Whether it is singular or plural, it remains the same. For example, you have fish. The singular form of fish is fish, and even the plural form of fish also is fish only. Okay, the same way you have sheep. Okay, here also this does not change. Even singular form and the plural form remains sheep only. Okay, then you have deer, hare. Okay, all these and all, they do not change. They all remain the same. Whether it is singular or plural, it will remain the same. Did you understand, children? Okay, there are some words like I told you, by just adding S, ES, VES or IES, you change it to plural. Some words change completely, like child becomes children, man becomes men, woman becomes women. Okay, and then you have few words where they do not change their form at all. Okay, those words are like example, fish, sheep, hare, deer, all these and all do not change their forms. Okay, now worksheet 3. Shall we move on to worksheet 3, children? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Page number.
Page number 11. Okay, page number 11. Worksheet 3. Rewrite the following sentences, changing the singular nouns to plural and making other necessary changes. What are the other necessary changes? Like is will become are, or was will become were. These are the other changes along with changing it to singular or plural. You will understand as we do it. Okay. First one, the bag was very light. So first you need to identify which is the noun here. In the sentence, which is the noun, children?
Bag.
Bag. Very good. So what is the plural of bag?
Bag.
Bags. Very good. Okay, so here, remember, when it is singular, you will use the helping verb was. Okay, but once it becomes plural, was will change to were. So the sentence becomes the bags were light. Okay, do you understand? So you're not just changing only the plural form, singular or plural form of the noun, but you're also going to change even the helping verbs accordingly. Okay, now second sentence, the basket was on the shelf. So which are the nouns here? There are two nouns given.
Basket.
Basket,
Basket.
basket and
Shelf.
shelf. Okay. So how will you change the sentence? When you change, what will it become? The baskets were on the shelves. Okay, the baskets were on the shelves. Were on the shelf. Okay, not on the shelf. You have to write were. Write it down. Second sentence, write down in the dash given there. Write down capital THE, the. Capital THE, the. BASKETS, the baskets. BASKETS, the baskets. Yes.
No.
What we will write in second line, ma'am?
Was will become
What I'm
what?
writing here, you have to write over here. Okay, in the second dash that is given here, you have to write here. Okay, so write down
It's a
the
plural, no?
baskets.
Baskets.
The
Was
basket,
will become where? More than the question.
The basket was on
the baskets was will change to were. Like I told you, once a singular one changes to plural, even the helping verbs also change. Okay, so was will become were. So the baskets were, W-E-R-E, were, W-E-R-E, were, O-N, on, O-N, on, T-H-E, the, T-H-E, the, S-H-E-L-V-E-S, shelves. Like I told you, you have to remove F and add V-E-S to it. Okay, and then put a full stop. Write down the baskets were on the shelves. S-H-E-L-V-E-S, shelves. If you have completed, just show a thumbs up. Please do not unmute yourself to say that you have completed. Just show a thumbs up. Yes, very good. Bhagyamani is finished. Yes, very good, Mithun Raj.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay, all of you have finished the second one. Now third one. Third one, the girl spoke softly. The girl spoke softly. So which is the noun here? The noun is
Girl.
girl. So the plural form of girl is girl. Very good. Okay, so here instead of spoke, it will change to speak. So the sentence will be the girls speak softly. Okay, write down the girls speak softly. Right, capital T-H-E, the. Capital T-H-E, the. Girls, girls. Girls, girls. Speak, S-P-E-A-K, speak. S-P-E-A-K, speak. S-P-E-A-K, speak. Softly, S-O-F-T-L-Y, softly, and then put a full stop. Okay, the girls speak softly. The girls speak softly.
Ma'am, girls speak spelling.
Okay, all of you have finished? Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay, next, fourth one. The lady was talking to the shopkeeper. So which are the two nouns given here?
Lady.
Lady.
Lady and one more,
Shop.
shopkeeper. Okay, so when you change the sentence, remember even was also will change to
Ladies.
were. Okay, so the ladies were talking to the shopkeepers. Okay, write down the sentence. Capital T-H-E, the. Capital T-H-E, the. Ladies, the plural form of lady is ladies. You have to remove I and add I-E-S to it. So L-A-D-I-E-S, the ladies. I-E-S, ladies. Were, W-E-R-E, were. W-E-R-E, were. Talking, T-A-L-K-I-N-G, talking. T-A-L-K-I-N-G, talking. Talking. To, T-O, to. To. The, T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. Shopkeepers, S-H-O-P-K-E-E-P-E-R-S, shopkeepers. The ladies were talking to the shopkeepers. Okay, the ladies were talking to the shopkeepers. Okay, the ladies were talking to the shopkeepers. All of you have finished? Yes. Okay, now next one, fifth one. Fifth one.
Yes, ma'am.
The man worked silently but quickly. Which is the noun given here?
Man.
Man. Very good. What is the plural form of man? Men. Very good. So that
Men.
sentence will change to the men worked silently but quickly. Okay. Write down capital T-H-E, the. Write down capital T-H-E, the. M-E-N, men. M-E-N, men. Work, W-O-R-K-E-D, work, W-O-R-K-E-D, worked. Silently, okay, silently, S-I-L-E-N-T-L-Y, silently. But, B-U-T, but. Quickly, Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y, quickly, and then full stop. The men worked silently but quickly. If you have completed, just show a thumbs up. The men worked silently but quickly.
Finish, ma'am.
Finished?
Finished.
Very good. Okay, now next one, sixth one.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes. Sixth one, the goose went up to the door. Which is the noun given here?
Goose.
Goose. Very good. What is the plural of goose?
Goose. Geese.
Geese. Very good. Okay, the plural of goose is geese. So the sentence becomes the geese went up to the doors. Okay, you also have another noun which is door. That also changes to doors. Okay, take down the sixth one. Right, capital T-H-E, the. Capital T-H-E, the. Geese, G-E-E-S-E, geese. G-E-E-S-E, geese. Went, W-E-N-T, went. W-E-N-T, went. Up, U-P, up. U-P, up. T-O, two. T-O, two. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. D-O-O-R-S, doors, and then put a full stop. The geese went up to the
Finish, ma'am.
doors. Very good, Amar.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, finished, ma'am. Thank you.
yes, very good, Varun. Okay, now shall I erase? Shall I erase 2, 3, and 4? Shall I erase 2, 3, and 4? Okay. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we'll turn the page for the next one. Okay, turn the page for the next one. Please give me the brush. Okay, so which is the noun given here?
Brush.
Brush. Very good. What is the
Brush,
plural
please,
form of brush? Brushes. What will you add over here?
Brush.
Yes.
Very good. You have to add es to the word brush. Okay. Now take down the seventh one. Right. Capital P-L-E-A-S-E. Please.
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 Me.
G-I-V-E. Give. Please give. Instead of me, you have to change it to plural. Me becomes us. Okay. Please give us. Please give us. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the brushes. B-R-U-S-H-E-S. Brushes. Okay, and put a full stop.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Yes. All of you have finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, now next, the last one, eighth one. The dwarf showed many tricks. So which is the noun here?
Draft.
Dwarf. Very good. Dwarf. Yes, R is silent. You will not pronounce the R. Okay, so it is dwarf. What is the plural form of dwarf? It is dwarfs. Okay, so instead of F, you have to remove F and write VES to it. Okay, so you will write, take down capital T-H-E, the, capital T-H-E, the, dwarfs, D-W-A-R-V-E-S, D-W-A-R-V-E-S, dwarfs, showed, S-H-O-W-E-D, showed, S-H-O-W-E-D, showed, many, M-A-N-Y, many, M-A-N-Y, many, tricks, T-R-I-C-K-S, tricks, and then put a full stop. T-R-I-C-K-S, tricks. Okay, so the dwarfs showed many tricks. That's the answer. Okay, with this, we will stop for today. And we will continue in the next class. The ones who are writing, write quickly. Time is running. You have.
I'm finished.
Yes, very
I'm
good.
finished, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, and I wanted to just give you this information. Okay, yesterday I had sent a note in the class saying that your attendance should be given in the group. Okay, remember, morning you have to give your attendance in your second standard class group. Please do not send your attendance to individual teachers. No. Okay, you have to send it in the class group only. Okay, and you will send only the homework assignments. The homework assignments or the classwork photos that you take, that should be sent to the individual teachers. Okay, which means your English, what you have written today, you'll take a picture of that and send it to me separately. Your Hindi work, you will send, Hindi and Kannada, you will send it to Helen ma'am. Your EVS and Max, you'll send it to Margaret ma'am. Okay, please do not send attendance also to teachers separately. Attendance, class teacher will take it from the group itself. Okay.
Ma'am, root will distracting, ma'am.
Ma'am,
We are not able to send to the group, ma'am. Block.
Only
It is
attendance
blocked.
you can send it to the group. Was it 1 minute?
Attendance you can send it to the group.
1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, you can send now. You can send your attendance in the group. Okay, you can send your attendance in the group.
Yes.
Okay, children. Now the group is unrestricted. You can send the attendance in the group. Only your notes should be sent individually.